Things Gary does.
Ow. So it's no secret that I've been trying to get organized for a while, trying to get all of my projects done and everything. But because I've got a lot of them, and I'm always trying to keep on top of everything, I'm always trying to find some other tool to help me organize my tasks and get me on track and help me stay on track and like be able to track my progress and all of that sort of thing. Recently I found an app that I found has been working for me really, really well. And what I'm talking about is an app called Trello. It's a web-based and mobile app that has really dead simple concept, really. The way it works is that you have what they call boards. And on each board is a collection of lists that you can define as whatever you want. The default is just to do, doing, and done. So you can see how that kind of appeals to me with those kind of words. But you populate each of these lists with what they call cards. And the cards you can drag and drop between the different lists and color code them and all sorts of things. So already that makes it really simple, really easy. It's kind of like index cards on a board, which is why I probably called it that. But the really interesting stuff happens when you open up a card. Inside of a card you can upload pictures, you can write a description, and you can even add checklists, multiple checklists, to better hash out what that card really represents and really have a good place to house all of your notes and all of your ideas in one of these cards. And then when you go back out to the board, you can reorder them, put them in the right places. And for me anyway, it's kind of the way my brain works, putting things into categories, putting them into classes, and then shifting the tasks between the different overarching ideas. So it's been really great for me. I feel like I've made more progress on my website in just a couple of days than I have over like the last week, just because I've been able to organize my ideas and see what I'm actually working on and move it in. But the real power I feel like with Trello, even though I haven't used this yet, is the fact that you can have multiple people working on boards. You can invite other users to come and help you work on different boards. You can assign users to specific cards, and then within the cards you can comment and share ideas within the same card. And so it's a really great tool for collaboration. I feel like I said, I haven't used it, but I can already see how useful that would be. Right now, like I said, I'm using it for my website, but I'm also using it actually for work. But it's not all like serious business type stuff. You can use these boards for anything. Like I have a board that has all of my checklists and to-do lists for getting my apartment ready for my mom to see next week. And it's just really useful that way. And between the mobile app and the web app, they sync really quickly back and forth. And it's just really easy to be like, oh yeah, I need to do this. Flip to the right board, enter it in as a card, leave it there, come back to it on the computer to type in any more details you might need. So like I said, I haven't been using it for very long, but I've already noticed how much better I feel about what I'm doing and how much more together I feel just knowing everything's there, and I can just go look at it, see what needs to do, see what I need to do, and just do it. It's really been great so far. So if you're looking for some sort of project management thing, definitely check it out. It's a little bit new, so it's a little rough around the edges, but they're really working on it. Which is really cool is that they have an actual Trello board in which you can see all the features and all the bug fixes that they're working on, and they shift it through the lists as they're completing different stages, but you can also go into the cards and vote on which ones you want and comment on the features and stuff. And so it's a really robust system, and you can really quickly see how useful it can be. A real testament to this app is this video, actually, because this video is the first video that I've actually written a script for in a really long time. And even though I have more or less completely disregarded that script, that bit of organization that got me to sit down and actually write this script really helped me to actually like flesh out the ideas I wanted to hit. And even though I've just totally skewed away, it's still up there. So steps in the right direction, baby steps, getting there. It just really comes down to my skill at actually writing scripts that are not totally dead and flat and boring and that I can never remember when I get on camera. But yeah, hope that's good. I hope that's good. That's not a thing. Well, anyway, happy doing, and I'll see you later. Things done. Happy doing? Is that a thing? Is that gonna be a thing? I don't know if that's gonna be a thing.